So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are absolutely fine and sound. And in this video, I'll show you how to fill the contract form for the Google Gemini Student Ambassador Program and what we have to fill correctly, how we can fill by typing or writing, what is the contract form. We'll cover everything in detail. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. And if you don't know about this program, this is Google Gemini Student Ambassador Program. It's a campus program where you have to just lead your campus, host some events and get some cool rewards based on the leaderboard ranking. How to participate? I have already covered a video in detail. You can watch the video. Links are present in the description. Also, we have covered about the arcade program too. Now here you can see this is the contract. Okay, you must have received an email. Let me just show you which kind of email it is. So this email generally come mostly in the uh, third stage. Okay, first stage you have to apply for this program. Then you get an email for video interview. Once you complete the video interview, then you'll get the final update. Now here it will contain an onboarding form. Okay, so you have to just click on that particular form first of all. And mostly you have to enter full details according to your academic records. All these things you have to fill and then just click on next. Okay. Now here, first thing what they have mentioned, you have to upload the Aadhaar number, Aadhaar card and PAN number. But some of people are saying that I don't want to share. So you can just avoid this particular program. It's not compulsory to participate in this program. You can still get some better goodies, swags and learnings from the arcade program itself. I've shared the link for the arcade program in the description too. If you want to skip, you are concerned about your privacy, then you can avoid this program. There is no compulsion for it. Now after that, click on next and simply enter your address. Now here you have to upload the signed contract. Now this is the contract in file you must have received over here. Okay. Now what you have to do, here you have to enter your name, father's name, your details, all the things. Okay, including Aadhaar number, PAN number, current address and permanent address. After that, you are studying in which college, course detail you have to mention. Okay. Now here you have to mention your name. Okay, your name you have to mention. And at the bottom, you have to just sign at the bottom. Okay, here you have to mention your name and sign it. You can type it also on system, means sometimes you can just add a pen. You can just type it directly on tablet also, or maybe in Word document also. We have the facility. Okay, in PDF reader also we can just add text. So you can just type it also and submit it and insert the signature image over here, or you can just get it print out, handwritten and upload it. Take the photo and upload it. So this is the thing. Mostly this document does not contain anything. They just want to fill it. Okay, including all the details. So here they have mentioned you'll be active for a period of 1st of March 2026 to 2027 31st March. Okay, for entire year you'll be active. So if you are not free, okay, if you're not free, then you should avoid this opportunity because it will become hectic for you, because in arcade program you are free to participate and leave. Okay, even if you want a similar leadership program, we have the arcade facilitator program which will help you to learn better things without these documentations and things. So this is a thing. Mostly in this particular document they have clearly mentioned about they are just giving it as a learning experience, not as a job employment. You'll be getting some perks, and whatever perks you are getting will be tax. If it is taxable, then they'll use your PAN card over here. If you don't have a PAN card, you cannot apply for this opportunity. This is the important thing, because a lot of you are commenting about the documentation, how to fill the contract form. I've shared these details. You have to enter your name, details, Aadhaar number, address, all the things. Here also you have to enter your name, and then at the bottom you have to just sign and enter your name. So these are the things. Now the next video will be regarding what sessions we have to host, what are the things you have to do. In brief, I am just explaining. You have to just first of all create a reel regarding this program and just share that particular reel link on your dashboard. Second thing, you have to host mini events on your college, and the number of people join will depend. Will help you to increase points. With each points, you'll be getting some cool rewards. If you come over here to the dashboard, you can see the number of points and their corresponding rewards over here. So these are the important things I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day.